This history talks about a man when he was a child. He loved the animals. He married and his wife shared the same feeling. They had a lot of animals. One of them was a big and black cat named Puto. Through the time the man became alcoholic and a night he arrived drunken. He wanted to touch the cat, but it bitten him. This situation caused the man's anger and furiously he took out an eye to the cat and after that he hangs the cat from a tree. One day he argues with his wife about the cat and ends up killing her.
Hello, my name is Lina Figueroa. I have a question. If they hadn't been an alcoholic, we wouldn't have problems at home.
My name is Yvette Patricia Garcia. If he had won the battle, the death of his wife would have gone unpunished. If the neighbor had asked about the wife, the police would have gone to search the building. If I had placed my wife's body in the first place, they would never have found it.
My name is John Ramirez. If the protagonist had not killed the cat, his wife would have been alive. If the protagonist had not killed the wife, he would have played soccer every Sunday. If the protagonist had not hated to his cat, he would have spent more time with his wife.
Created using Powtoon.